first thing you grab in the morning? iPad ready for a Redzone.
I have everything that I need down by my side for 12 hours a day. It's so much better than being on paper.
They've got the iPad everywhere they walk in, so they could do the checks, they could take pictures. It's much more easy. They don't have to print.
We use a lot of pictures. Let's say, for example, something on line 2 is broken. I can then take a picture, write a comment, send it.
It shows you that you're doing good at your job in a way as well. If it's green, it just gives you a bit of a uplifting, like, oh, I'm good at my job.
So we've increased our OEE by 10% in 6 months. I haven't done that as the operations manager. You guys have done that. Well done.
It's just making everybody's job a little bit easier. About 3 months ago, we started holding weekly downtimes meetings, and since then we've reduced it by about 10%. I don't think we're starting to scrape the surface of where we can go and what we can do.
6 forums a day. From those forums, it's helping from the shop floor to the board level what we need to do to improve the factory.
We've done over 90,000 completed data sheets. We're averaging between 600 and 800 a day. We've actually closed 88% of them actions.
Being so involved in Redzone from the beginning, it's nice to see it succeed at every level of the business. You know, the people at the top, we're always going to get a lot out of Redzone, but the people at the bottom, they put in the hard work, and I feel like they should get the most out of it.
As the digital age is moving more and progressing more, you've got to move with that time. And how AI has progressed in a very short space of time, using Redzone and where we are is really taking our business much further forward.